Hi, I'm Sarah and this is my Ashford kitchen. The kitchen itself was really dated. Dark as well because there was just one window. It was not an area that we liked. We visited our neighbours and then a few months later they invited us round to see the kitchen that they'd have done and we were just amazed. It was absolutely beautiful. So Ashford's helped us to visualise everything by going in, sitting down with them, looking at what they'd managed to design after their initial visit, seeing what was possible just surpassed our expectations. I mean, we couldn't believe it. We were sold instantly when we saw it. We were just like, we just couldn't believe that. We even asked Phil, we said, is this really our kitchen? We're really pleased with our final kitchen. It's surpassed our expectations. We love having our friends over. It's definitely given us the hub of the home that we were looking for. Cooking has become more of a pleasurable experience. We had friends around a few weeks ago and we had a barbecue, but we were all in here, which is what I've always wanted. I think it actually brought a tear to my eye because I thought, you know, this is what I wanted. When we saw the tap, I was just sold on it. It's absolutely amazing. I wanted a clear kitchen after years of having to have everything everywhere because I didn't have the space. It's definitely my favourite thing in the kitchen. I felt like we were the only customer, that we were really important. When I walk in the morning, I think, you know, I still now pinch myself and think, gosh, this is ours and it's in our house and yeah, we're really, really happy with it. I think we couldn't recommend them highly enough and would 100% use them again.